not only feed additives, but also we consider feed contaminants. In 3 minutes, you get a shot. What is happening? What is going on? And we put close to this through this video, we have some other web stories or documents that we can put together that we can, in a way, fit this integrated approach in communication. In particular, now that we know that the number of opinions in the area of applications are increasing, so sometimes it's a little bit difficult to communicate all of this information. As you can see here, during the years, the number of opinions related with authorizations are increased. And sometimes it is not possible to communicate on a single opinion, but it is possible to communicate on the whole view, on the whole overview of the situation. We are not so young, not anymore, so we already have our 10-year anniversary last year. And then we identify, let's say, the main issues during these 10 years. So we have been dedicated our work to the support of science, excellence in science, first of all, and to the protection of more or less 500 consumers in Europe. We are here focusing on Europe, but I think that the opinions of EFSA, they have a worldwide impact now. We work together with the different institutions, with the different member states, and then we have to shape the future of the risk assessment. So this is something that we are doing, new areas, complex mixtures, integrated exposure assessment. So all of these new areas that will come we know that they are in our plate and that will come in the next years. We have to respond also to many different challenges, not only on the crisis time, but on an organized way. So we have our science strategy, we have a communication strategy, we have different internal projects for improving efficiency, and then we have our multi-annual plan for 2013 to 15. Important things here is to work on an integrated multidisciplinary advice. So like, for example, a meat inspection or antimicrobial resistance is covering not only food, but it's covering also feed or pesticides. We develop harmonized methodologies. We collect and analyze high quantity of data. We have a lot of data on monitoring of chemical and biological substances. We have an approach, protective approach on emerging risk. We are working on the training. We have different training activities with different partners during the year in EFSA. We are optimizing our internal scientific expertise, so we are counting with external experts, but we have also to count with internal expertise inside EFSA. And we are reinforcing the risk assessment capacity and through the scientific cooperation. All of this will help us in the improvement of the midterm planning and, of course, on the next future of EFSA. As Patrick said, most probably we will be continue working with the regulation as it is during the next years. So this is in a very general overview of what is EFSA doing and what I am doing in Parma. Thank you very much. Yes, the questions after.
Thank you, Claudia.